What should we do if we are suddenly in a situation where we are unable to perform our everyday Agnihotra? For example, we are living in a family and there are 3 people in a family or 5 people or 6 people in a family, and if all of them are not Vedic followers, all of them do not believe in the Vedic Dharma, then naturally there might be situation that might arise in the future that one of the family member will say that no, you cannot follow this, I am the head of the family, I don't agree that you follow this, you must come to temple, you must not do Agnihotra, you must not do this Vedic worship. This kind of forceful actions might happen in a family. So if that happens, what should we do? Or in other situation, like I work in a company and the company is asking me to travel to Saudi Arabia for 3 months on duty. I have to go there and then perform some duty, and in Saudi Arabia or in Arab countries I cannot do Agnihotra, or I have to travel to Japan where I don't get proper situation or proper house where I can perform Agnihotra. Then what should I do? So this kind of obstacles comes in our life. We are living in a time, unfortunately, of course, it is not reference to Kali Yuga. Kali Yuga cannot impact anything. Kali Yuga is just a measurement of time. But we are living in times where 99% of the people, including our own family members, are anti-Vedic. So in that situation, number one, suppose if it is happening within our family, we might try our best to negotiate and then convince our family members. We must beg them. For example, if your father is not allowing, your father is the head of the family and you are his child, and you are interested in Vedic path, your father is not allowing, you must try to beg and convince your parents to allow you to perform Agnihotra and follow Vedas. If they are not agreeing, we should not fight. The first and foremost thing to win any argument is to be silent, become shant. And also, if your family understands you and respects you, at one point of time definitely you will win. And in case you are unable to perform Agnihotra, or it has come to me in my life, like when I shifted to Bangalore for the first time, I had to go to a rented house, and then the owner said that I will not allow you Agnihotra. And my in-laws, when they shifted to Bangalore, they said the owner said that we will not allow you Agnihotra. So of course, in my case, the owner was not with us, they were not living with us. Then I said, okay, I will anyway do Agnihotra, I cannot stop Agnihotra. Then after some time the owner found out. Then she came and asked, I said, you cannot do Agnihotra in my house, you see the walls are black. So I said, see, walls are black, I have been doing Agnihotra for last 20 years and walls will become black, don't worry about it. See, I showed her a shloka from Chanakya Niti where Vishnugupta Acharya says that jis ghar ki diwar, if the walls are not black in your house by doing Agnihotra, then your house is Shamshan Ghat, your house is a burial ground. So after seeing such a statement, she became silent. She did not want to argue with me. She said, okay, I will charge you double cost when you leave the house. That you have given me deposit, I will charge you double cost for painting, I will do double coat. I said, it's no problem. You take double, even triple also, I will stand, because I know this black will immediately go. With one coat only, this black thing will go. You do even triple coat, or I will pay you for even triple charge. There is no problem. But there is nothing going to happen for your walls. Be rest assured. And then later on, by God's grace, I was able to buy my own house. Now I am doing Agnihotra in my own house. So similarly, there could be circumstances where your family members are objecting that walls are becoming black, or if somebody will say no, you cannot perform Agnihotra. These are all these are all not acceptable. Shankaracharya has not sanctioned women doing Agnihotra. Many obstacles will come in our life. So in that case, also we must not leave the Maun Agnihotra. If you are not able to perform Agnihotra by Havan Kund, it's okay. For some time you negotiate with family, try to find out solutions, beg them, try to convince them. In parallel, do not leave the Ishvara Stuti Prarthana Upasana. Continue your Stuti Prarthana Upasana, continue your everyday Mansik Agnihotra. After this video, I will attach one more video, a beautiful, Agnihotra mantra chanting by Acharya Anandaraj. I think he is from Kerala. I found it from one YouTube channel. I'm not sure if my YouTube channel will get copyright strike, but I liked it so much. You can play this kind of video, sit in a shant place, close your mind, close your eyes and mind, and focus on Paramatma and chant these mantras. Of course, you know that if you are doing everyday Agnihotra, you know these mantras by heart. By listening to these mantras, you can also chant so that you will not get boredom. And slowly convince your family to ask them to allow you to do Agnihotra. They will surely at one day, I have faced in my house. When I started Agnihotra, my parents were, of course, they believe in Vedas, but they do not know that everyday Agnihotra must be performed, etc. They did not know it. My father used to say, see, Divar Kala ho raha hai, yes, my father used to say. But then later on, when he came to Vedic way, he is doing everyday Agnihotra. He doesn't care whether the wall is becoming black or not. So it will take time to convince the family members. But when you are in Vedic Marg, when you continuously do Upasana of Paramatma, definitely doors will get opened. So do not get disheartened if your family members are, you have to suddenly travel. Like, I am traveling so much. I have to travel now again tomorrow. I have to travel to one more country and another. And I was traveling to 2-3 countries in the past. So whenever I travel out of country, it's impossible to do Agnihotra. But then I continue the Mauna Havan. So whenever I travel, right, I continue to do Agnihotra inside my mind. So in your house, if the circumstance is not suitable for you to perform Havan, do not get disheartened and try to at least do Mauna Havan and try to continue your Upasana, and Paramatma will surely help you. Okay, never get disheartened. That is why I thought of making this short video. Thank you so much. Namaste. Om.
अथ वैदिकी अग्निहोत्र पद्धति अथ आचमनम् ॐ अमृतोपस्तरणमसि स्वाहा ॐ अमृतापिधानमसि स्वाहा ॐ सत्यं यशश्रीर्मयि श्रीः श्रयतां स्वाहा अथ इन्द्रियस्पर्श ॐ वाङ्म आस्येस्तु ॐ नसोर्मे प्राणोस्तु ॐ अक्ष्णोर्मे चक्षुरस्तु ॐ कर्णयोर्मे श्रोत्रमस्तु ॐ बाह्वोर्मे बलमस्तु ॐ ऊर्वोर्म ओजोस्तु ॐ अरिष्टानि मेङ्गानि तनूस्तन्वा मे सह सन्तु अधेश्वरस्तुतिप्रार्थनोपासना ॐ विश्वानि देव सवितर्दुरितानि परासुव यद्भद्रं तन्न आसुव ॐ हिरण्यगर्भः समवर्तताग्रे भूतस्य जातः पतिरेक आसीत् सदाधार पृथिवीं द्यामुते मां कस्मै देवाय हविषा विधेम ॐ य आत्मदा बलदा यस्य विश्व उपासते प्रशिशं यस्य देवाः यस्य छायामृतं यस्य मृत्युः कस्मै देवाय हविषा विधेम ॐ यः प्राणतो निमिषतो महित्वैकयिद्राजा जगतो बभूव य एषे यस्य द्विपदश्चतुष्पदः कस्मै देवाय हविषा विधेम ॐ येन द्यौरुग्रा पृथिवी च दृढा येन स्वस्तभितं येन नाकः यो अन्तरिक्षे रजसो विमानः कस्मै देवाय हविषा विधेम ॐ प्रजापतेन त्वदेतान्यन्यो विश्वा जातानि परिता बभूव यत्कामास्ते जुहुमस्तन्नो अस्तु वयं स्याम पतयो रयीणाम् ॐ स नो बन्धुर्जनिता सविधाता धामानि वेदभुवनानि विश्वा यत्र देवा अमृतमानशानास्त्रितीये धामन्नध्यैरयन्त ॐ अग्नीनयसुपधाराये अस्मान् विश्वानि देववयुनानि विद्वान् युयोध्यस्मज्जुहुराणमेनो भूयिष्ठान्ते नम उक्तिं विधेम इतीश्वरस्तुतिप्रार्थनोपासना। अथ अग्निसमिन्थन। ॐ भूर्भुवस्व। अथ अग्नि प्रज्वालनम्। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वर्द्यौरिव भूम्ना पृथिवीव वरिम्ना तस्यास्ते पृथिवी देवयजनि पृष्ठेऽग्निमन्नादमन्नाद्यायादधे ॐ उद्बुध्यस्वाग्नि प्रतिजागृहि त्वमिष्टापूर्ते संसृजे धामयञ्च अस्मिन् सधस्थे अध्युत्तरस्मिन् विश्वे देवा यजमानश्च सीदत। अथ समिदाधानम्। ॐ अयन्त इद्म आत्मा जातवेदस्तेनेभ्यस्व वर्धस्व चेत्थवर्धय चास्मान् प्रजया पशुभिर्ब्रह्मवर्चसेनान्नाद्येन समीधय स्वाहा इदमग्नये जातवेदसे इदन्न मम। ॐ समिधाग्निं दुवस्यत घृतैर्बोधयतातिथिम् आस्मिन् हव्याजुहोतन। ॐ सुसमिद्धाय शोचिषे घृतं तीव्रं जुहोतन अग्नये जातवेदसे स्वाहा इदमग्नये जातवेदसे इदन्न मम। ॐ तन्त्वा समिद्भिरङ्गिरो घृतेन वर्धयामसि बृहच्छोचाय विष्ठ्य स्वाहा इदमग्नयिङ्गिरसे इदन्न मम। अथ पञ्च घृताहुतयः। ॐ अयन्त इद्म आत्मा जातवेदस्तेनेभ्यस्व वर्धस्व चेत्थवर्धय चास्मान् प्रजया पशुभिर्ब्रह्मवर्चसेनान्नाद्येन समीधय स्वाहा इदमग्नये जातवेदसे इदन्न मम। ॐ अयन्त इद्म आत्मा जातवेदस्तेनेभ्यस्व वर्धस्व चेत्थवर्धय चास्मान् प्रजया पशुभिर्ब्रह्मवर्चसेनान्नाद्येन समीधय स्वाहा इदमग्नये जातवेदसे इदन्न मम। ॐ अयन्त इद्म आत्मा जातवेदस्तेनेभ्यस्व वर्धस्व चेत्थवर्धय चास्मान् प्रजया पशुभिर्ब्रह्मवर्चसेनान्नाद्येन समीधय स्वाहा इदमग्नये जातवेदसे इदन्न मम। ॐ अयन्त इद्म आत्मा जातवेदस्तेनेभ्यस्व वर्धस्व चेत्थवर्धय चास्मान् प्रजया पशुभिर्ब्रह्मवर्चसेनान्नाद्येन समीधय स्वाहा इदमग्नये जातवेदसे इदन्न मम। ॐ अयन्त इद्म आत्मा जातवेदस्तेनेभ्यस्व वर्धस्व चेत्थवर्धय चास्मान् प्रजया पशुभिर्ब्रह्मवर्चसेनान्नाद्येन समेधयः स्वाहा इदमग्नये जातवेदसे इदन्न मम। अथ जलप्रोक्षणम्। ॐ अदितेऽनुमन्यस्व ॐ अनुमतेऽनुमन्यस्व ॐ सरस्वत्यनुमन्यस्व ॐ देवसवितः प्रसुवयज्ञं प्रसुवयज्ञपतिं भगाय दिव्यो गन्धर्वः केतपुः केतन्नः पुनातु वाचस्पतिर्वाचन्नः स्वदतु। अथ आघारावाज्यभागाहुतयः। ॐ अग्नये स्वाहा इदमग्नये इदन्न मम। ॐ सोमाय स्वाहा इदं सोमाय इदन्न मम। ॐ प्रजापतये स्वाहा इदं प्रजापतये इदन्न मम। ॐ इन्द्राय स्वाहा इदमिन्द्राय इदन्न मम। अथ प्रातःकालिकाहुतयः। ॐ सूर्यो ज्योतिर्ज्योतिः सूर्यः स्वाहा ॐ सूर्यो वर्चो ज्योतिर्वर्चः स्वाहा ॐ ज्योतिः सूर्यः सूर्यो ज्योतिः स्वाहा ॐ सजोर्देवेन सवित्रा सजोरुषसीन्द्रवत्या जुषाणः सूर्यो वेतु स्वाहा। अथ सायङ्कालिकाहुतयः। ॐ अग्निर्ज्योतिर्ज्योतिरग्निः स्वाहा ॐ अग्निर्वर्चो ज्योतिर्वर्चः स्वाहा ॐ स्वाहा ॐ सजोर्देवेन सवित्रा सजोरात्र्यन्द्रवत्या जुषाणो अग्निर्वेतु स्वाहा। अथ व्याहृत्याहुतयः। ॐ भूरग्नये प्राणाय स्वाहा इदमग्नये प्राणाय इदन्न मम। ॐ भुवर्वायवे पानाय स्वाहा इदं वायवे पानाय इदन्न मम। ॐ स्वरादित्याय व्यानाय स्वाहा इदमादित्याय व्यानाय इदन्न मम। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वरग्निवाय्वादित्येभ्यः प्राणापानव्यानेभ्यः स्वाहा इदमग्निवाय्वादित्येभ्यः प्राणापानव्यानेभ्यः इदन्न मम। ॐ आपो ज्योतिरसोऽमृतं ब्रह्मभूर्भुवस्वरों स्वाहा ॐ यां मेधां देवगणाः पितरश्चोपासते तया मामद्य मेधयाग्निमेधाविनं कुरु स्वाहा। ॐ विश्वानि देव सवितुर्दुरितानि परासुव यद्भद्रं तन्न आसुव स्वाहा। ॐ अग्नेनयसुपथाराये अस्मान् विश्वानि देववयुनानि विद्वान् युयोध्यस्मज्जुहुराणमेनो भूयिष्ठां ते नम उक्तिं विधेम स्वाहा। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा। ॐ भूर्भुवस्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात् स्वाहा। ॐ सर्वं वै पूर्णं स्वाहा। ॐ सर्वं वै पूर्णं स्वाहा। ॐ सर्वं वै पूर्णं स्वाहा। ॐ अथ स्विष्टकृताहुतिः। ॐ यदस्य कर्मणोऽत्यरीरिचं यद्वा न्यूनमिहाकरम् अग्निष्टत्स्विष्टकृद्विद्यात् सर्वं स्विष्टं सुहुतं करोतु मे। अग्नये स्विष्टकृते सुहुतहुते सर्वप्रायश्चित्ताहुतीनां कामानां समर्थयित्रे सर्वान्नः कामान् समर्थय स्वाहा। इदमग्नये स्विष्टकृते इदन्न मम। ॐ स्वाहा। इदं प्रजापतये इदन्न मम। अथ शान्तिमन्त्र। ॐ द्यौ शान्तिरन्तरिक्षं शान्तिः पृथिवी शान्तिरापः शान्तिरोषधयः शान्तिः वनस्पतयः शान्तिर्विश्वे देवा शान्तिर्ब्रह्म शान्तिः सर्वं शान्तिः शान्तिरेव शान्तिः सामा शान्तिरेधि। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः।